The Grant Stone Garrison Boot is made from deer leather, has a fancy brogue toe cap, and has a Vibram wedge outsole. It shouldn't work, but it does, and it works magnificently. Let's get into it. Welcome to Stray Reviews. I'm Lee, and I'm here to help you find the best men's lifestyle gear and apparel. And today, I'm reviewing the Grant Stone Garrison Boot in black waxed deer. Grant Stone has really stepped out on a limb with these, using Teton wax stag leather from the Gallon Gallery in Wisconsin, and as we know, awesome things come from Wisconsin. The leather is thick and waxy to the touch, and is a rich tactile experience. It also has a unique smell to it that's similar to Chrome XL, but with an earthier quality to it. It also has a great pull-up effect to it and has lots of character. These boots are double stitched throughout, and the cap toe has a decorative broguing, adding to their unique appearance. They also come with polished brass eyelets, but no speed hooks. The insides are lined with a soft, smooth kip lining, and they have a vegetable tanned insole, welt, and midsole. They also have leather heel counters. They have a cork filler with a steel shank and are 270-degree flat welted with a leather heel rand. All of this sits on top of a white Vibram Christie wedge outsole, making this unique combination one of the most unique pairs of boots that I own. The Garrison is built on the Leo last, the same as the Grant Stone Diesel. I got mine in a 9.5D, a half size down from my Brannock size, and they fit perfectly on me. They also come in E and triple E widths, so if you have wider feet, then you're in luck. The Garrison sells for $395 and is made in China. If you want to check them out, I'll leave a link down in the description. Now, these boots sound like such a random Frankenstein assemblage of looks and materials, but they work. They're not perfect though, so let's get into the good, the bad, and the bottom line. Okay, let's start off with the good of the Grant Stone Garrison Boot. First off, this is my first pair of deer leather boots, and I can honestly say that I'm really digging them. It's both tough and also pliable feeling at the same time, making them for a more comfortable, easier break-in. In fact, of all of my Grant Stone boots, these are probably the most comfortable. That's partly because of that deer leather and partly because of the lighter wedge sole. It seems like people are pretty divided on the sole. Some people love it and some people not so much. Personally, I really like it. Not only does it add to the comfort, but it also gives these already pretty unique boots an even more unique appearance. So unique is the word of the day. I really like the looks of these boots. I can't say this about all of my boots, but I can have these on all day with no issues, and I can wear them with a huge variety of outfits. In fact, I'm taking a trip in a couple weeks, and I'll only be wearing these boots. Like all of my Grant Stone boots so far, the craftsmanship is spot on. The materials are first class, and the design is definitely visually appealing. They really are a triple threat. Hey, speaking of triple threats, you're a triple threat if you tap that like button for me. Thanks so much. All right, it's pretty obvious that I like these boots, but what do I have to complain about? Well, first of all, these boots have no speed hooks. The Garrison boot is actually the only boot from Grant Stone with no speed hooks. And I really do wish that they had a couple sets. That might not even be worth mentioning, but on top of that, the eyelets are pretty small and it kind of makes it feel like you're threading a needle. The other thing is, on one hand, I really like the character that the leather develops. On the other hand, some people might prefer to work a little harder to develop that character. And it's a bit reminiscent of the Red Wing Copper Rough and Tough. And that leather just seems to change colors from like just a simple walk across the room. And if you saw my review of the Weekender Chukka, you know that I'm just not a fan of that. However, the waxed deer leather is not as drastic as the rough and tough that goes from a rusty brown to having bright orange streaks right away. The Garrisons are actually more subtle than that, and I do prefer that. You tell me, do you like to work for those variations in color? Or are you just cool with them coming on quicker? Let me know down in the comments below. Okay, I'm gonna give you my bottom line opinion, but if you're getting some value out of this today, then I wanna invite you to subscribe to the channel so that you'll catch my upcoming reviews. Okay, the bottom line is that the Grant Stone Waxed Deer Garrison is a stellar cap toe boot that has all of the usual Grant Stone quality with a unique appearance that really stands out, and it feels great on foot. These definitely get a thumbs up from me. And if you want to see my review of the Grant Stone Ottawa boot, a great mock toe option, then check out this video here. I want to thank Grant Stone for providing these boots for review. My opinions are my own, and I want to thank you for watching. I'll see you over in the next video.